Dear woman, when the right man comes into your life, everything will change. You will feel something new inside your heart. It will be a feeling of peace, warmth, and happiness. This man will not just stay with you, he will make your heart feel safe. You will not feel lonely anymore. His presence will be like sunshine on a cold day. His love will be like the soft wind that touches your face and makes you feel free. He will not just be a person in your life, he will be someone who makes your life more beautiful. He will not just hold your hand, he will hold your heart with kindness and care. When he looks at you, you will see love in his eyes. When he smiles at you, you will feel like the most special person in the world. His love will be soft, warm, and full of peace. His love will be like music in your soul. When he talks to you, his words will be gentle, making you feel calm. He will not just hear you, he will truly listen to you. He will listen to your dreams, your worries, and your fears. He will make you feel important because, to him, you are the most precious person. When he loves you, time will feel different. The world will seem to move more slowly because every moment with him will feel special. You will feel like you are living in a dream that makes your heart full of joy. He will not just walk beside you, he will walk deep into your heart. His love will not just be a small feeling, it will be something big and strong. It will make you feel safe, happy, and deeply loved. When he enters your life, you will start to see the world in a new way. Even simple things will feel special when he is with you. A small walk in the park will feel magical. A cup of coffee with him will taste sweeter. The sky will look bluer, and the stars will shine brighter because his love will make everything beautiful. You will wake up in the morning with a smile on your face because you will know that he is there for you. His love will not be just words, it will be in his actions. He will care for you when you are tired. He will hold your hand when you feel weak. He will stand beside you when life is hard. With him, you will never feel alone because he will be your partner in everything. He will help you grow in ways you never thought possible. But he will never hurt you. He will never make you feel small or unimportant. Instead, he will help you see how strong you are. His love will be like the sun that helps flowers grow. It will touch the parts of you that you have kept hidden for a long time. Maybe you were afraid to show your true self before, but with him, you will feel safe. You will feel free to be who you really are. He will look at you and see all the beautiful things inside you. He will love you for who you are, not for who the world wants you to be. He will love even the little things about you. The way you laugh, the way you speak, the way you think, everything about you will be special to him. He will not try to change you. He will not ask you to be different. Instead, he will love every part of you just as you are. His love will be strong and gentle at the same time. He will never make you feel less. He will lift you up, support you, and remind you every day that you are beautiful, special, and loved. Being single is not a bad thing. It is not something to be sad about. It is a time to grow. It is a time to learn about yourself. It is a time to become stronger. Being alone does not mean being lonely. It is a time when you can prepare your heart for love. It is like a seed in the ground. Right now, The seed is growing under the soil. You cannot see it, but one day, it will bloom into a beautiful flower. This time of waiting is important. It is the time when God is making your heart ready. He is preparing you for something beautiful. He is preparing you for the love that is meant for you. Every tear you have cried, every prayer you have whispered, none of it is wasted. Every time you have felt lonely, every time you have wondered when love will come, God has seen it all. Your heart is like a garden, and all these moments are like rain and sunshine, helping your love story grow. One day, when the time is right, love will come to you. And when it does, it will not just make you happy, it will feel like a dream come true. It will be a love so strong, so real, and so deep that you will know it was meant just for you. When God sends the right man, He will not just love you, He will adore you. He will look at you with eyes full of love and respect. He will not only love your smile, but He will also care about your tears. He will be there for you when you are happy, and He will hold your hand when you are sad. He will listen to your words, understand your heart, and walk with you through every part of life. He will love you not just for how you look, but for who you are inside. He will see your heart, your kindness, your dreams, and He will cherish all of it. Love with Him will not feel like a struggle. It will not feel like pain or confusion. Instead, it will feel easy, like breathing. You will not have to fight for His love because His love will be freely given to you. He will not play games with your heart. He will not make you feel unsure. His love will be strong and steady, like a lighthouse in the dark. It will guide you, protect you, and keep you safe. He will not stop you from chasing your dreams, He will help you reach them. He will believe in you, even when you do not believe in yourself. He will remind you that you are strong, capable, and full of potential. He will stand beside you, cheering for you in every step you take. He will not try to dim your light, He will help you shine brighter. He will not just be a partner, He will be your best friend, your greatest supporter, and your safe place. With Him, love will not be full of fear. It will not make you feel small. It will not make you feel like you have to change who you are. Instead, love will make you feel free. It will make you feel strong. It will make you feel beautiful, inside and out. He will be the person you can trust, the person who will stand by you no matter what. His love will not fade with time, it will only grow stronger. One day, when the right man comes, you will understand why it took so long. You will see that every moment of waiting was worth it. You will know that love is not about rushing, it is about finding the person who will love you the way you deserve. And when you find him, you will know that you have finally found home. Love will come. Be patient. Be strong. Believe. The best love is worth waiting for.